practice for the X Games. So we are here at the Carry test track and trying to get a little bit the speed for the X Games. Excited, you know, it's my first year at X Games. It's almost my first race at Supercross. Really exciting, but you know, I'm here to learn, see how it goes there, how fast are the girls, because I don't know nothing about Supercross. There is no Supercross for the women in Europe, so I'm just here to see what can happen for me here. Yes, I came in America in 04 and 05 to race with Patterson and Geiger. Ashley was not pro yet, but Ashley came in Europe as well to race GB, so I know those girls in motocross, but Supercross.
So you talk about that there's not much interest in the World GP. Are you going to eventually come to American race the WMX series full time over here?
Yeah, actually I'm thinking about it, you know, maybe I could get a ride for next year, I don't know yet, so it could be a good opportunity for me if I could race in America, because in Europe there is not the real championship anymore for the girls. World championship, like, I mean, from the top 10 of last year, it's missing like 5 or 6 girls, so it's not a world championship anymore. So it's, for sure it's a good plan if I can come race over there next year.